Now we are going to talk about rational expressions. So first we will simplify rational expressions. So rational expressions are written in fraction. For example, we have 2x over 50xy. So the upper part is called the numerator and the lower part is called the denominator. To simplify the rational expression, we can cancel out common factors from numerator and denominator. So here, for example, in this example, this x is same as this x in the denominator. So we can cancel this one copy of x from both numerator and denominator. Secondly, 2 and 50. So 50 also has a factor 2. So we can cancel out one factor 2 from both the numerator and denominator, and we are left with 25 in the denominator. So this expression is same as, now we have only one left in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 25y. This is how we simplify rational expressions. So what we learn, if you have same factor both in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel that out and we can simplify our fraction. So we can cancel out, so you see that in the numerator a and b are attached with the multiplication sign, and in the denominator a and c are also attached with multiplication. So these are two factors in the numerator and two factors in the denominator. So if you have something like ac plus d, you see that in the denominator these two terms are attached with plus or minus sign. So this is one whole factor, and in the numerator we have two factors because they are combined with multiplication sign. So we cannot cancel out a factor with the terms inside, so this is wrong. So we can cancel out the whole factor with the whole factor. For example, a very common mistake is, so suppose we are given 2x square over 3x plus y. So we cannot say we can cancel out one copy of x with this and we are left with 2x over 3 plus y. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because in the denominator we have two terms which are connected with plus or minus sign. So this is our, in the denominator we have two terms connected with plus or minus sign. So this is one factor. We cannot cancel out the terms inside the factor. So we can only cancel out a factor with a factor. So let's do one more problem where we will simplify rational fractions. So x square minus 9 over x square minus 6x plus 9. So let's simplify. So to simplify rational fractions, so you see that we cannot cancel out this x square with this x square, this 9 with this 9. The same logic, this is one whole factor. These two terms are connected with plus or minus sign, and here we have three terms. This is one factor. So just try to see, are you able to factor this into two smaller factors? And same thing here. So x square minus 9, so we can write this as the difference of two squares, and it can be written as x minus 3 and x plus 3. And in the denominator we can factor this quadratic equation. It will give you x plus 3 and x plus 3, x minus 3 and x minus 3. So x minus 3 and x minus 3. So we have the denominator x minus 3 and x minus 3. Now you see that we have two factors multiplied by together, and same thing, we have two factors in the denominator because they are connected with the multiplication sign, and this factor is same as this factor, so we can cancel this whole factor with this whole factor, and we are left with x plus 3 in the numerator and x minus 3 in the denominator, and this is the simplified version of the given expression.